Welcome to our tutorial. In this video, I will show you a quick and easy fixes for laptop keyboards keys not working on Windows 11.
Fix 1. Restart your laptop. Step 1. Click Start. Step 2. Select Restart. Step 3. Check if the keyboard works after reboot. Fix 2. Run the keyboard troubleshooter. Step 1. Press Windows I to open settings. Step 2. Go to System Troubleshooters. Step 3. Click Run next to keyboard. Fix 3. Update or reinstall keyboard drivers. Step 1. Press Windows X and select Device Manager. Step 2. Expand keyboards. Right-click your keyboard and choose Update Driver. Step 3. If updating doesn't help, right-click again and select Uninstall Device, then restart your laptop. Fix 4. Disable filter keys. Step 1. Press Windows I to open settings. Step 2. Navigate to Accessibility keyboard. Step 3. Ensure filter keys is turned off. Fix 5. Check for Windows updates. Step 1. Press Windows I to open settings. Step 2. Go to Windows Update. Step 3. Click Check for updates and install any available updates.